In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your AMC gift card balance. First, let's start by opening your web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. The important thing here is to make sure your browser is up to date. This ensures that all websites, including AMC's, function smoothly without any hiccups. Now, with your browser open, go to the AMC gift card balance page. You can do this by typing the web address directly into the address bar. This is a key step because it takes you directly to the page where you can check your balance. Remember, always make sure you are on the official website to protect your personal information. Once you're on the AMC gift card balance page, you will see a couple of fields that need your attention. First, find the field labeled gift card number. Here you will enter the number found on your card. Usually this is a long series of digits. Take your time typing it in to avoid any errors. Double-checking this number is crucial because a wrong digit can lead you to an incorrect balance. Next up, you will need to enter your 4-digit PIN. This PIN is typically located on the back of your card. If it's covered, gently scratch it off to reveal the digits. The PIN helps verify that you are the rightful holder of the card. Enter it carefully, and remember that these numbers are sensitive information. At this point, you should see a button labeled either Submit or Check Balance. Clicking this will send your information to AMC servers. This action is important because it retrieves your current balance directly from AMC, providing you with the most accurate information. Once you click the button, your remaining balance will appear on the screen. This is your available amount to spend at any AMC location or online. Seeing this information confirms that everything has been entered correctly. If there is an error, the page will typically prompt you to re-enter your information. Don't worry if this happens. Just double-check the card number and PIN and try again. Now, let me provide a quick insight. Checking your balance before making a purchase is a smart move. It helps avoid any embarrassing moments at the checkout counter. You'll know exactly how much you have left to spend, and you can plan your movie outings accordingly. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily check your AMC gift card balance online. It's a straightforward process that ensures you always know the value of your card. This way, you can make the most out of your AMC gift card experience. Thank you for joining me today. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Enjoy your movies, and until next time, take care.